Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a signature line in Google Docs. So if you've got an official document and you want to add a signature line, this is how you do it. So place your cursor where you want the line to be. Then we're going to click on Insert Table and just add one block. Then we can delete the side and top lines by clicking on them and just changing them to white. So as you can see, each one, as I change it to white, the line disappears. So we're just going to leave ourselves with the bottom line that we can use for signatures. When you've done that, you can also click on it to drag it shorter if you want and move it about. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.